In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails directly into ClickUp, transforming them into tasks effortlessly. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing your communications and turning emails into actionable items without losing any details. Let's dive in and explore the steps to make this happen seamlessly. First, we'll begin by navigating within ClickUp. So go ahead and open your ClickUp workspace. Once you're in, locate the desired list where you want the incoming email to be converted into a task. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see an expanded sidebar with all your lists. It's important to ensure you're in the correct location, as this is where your new tasks will pop up. Now, with your list visible, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the ellipsis or menu button. Click on this icon to reveal additional options available for that particular list. These dots are your gateway to more advanced functionalities, and knowing how to access them can greatly enhance your ClickUp experience. Select the option titled Email to List. This action will generate a unique email address specifically dedicated to that list. You'll see this unique email address pop up on your screen, which is just a string of seemingly random characters followed by an @clickup.com domain. Make sure you copy this address carefully. You can use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl or CMD with C for an efficient copy. Once you have that unique email address safely copied, the next step involves your email client. Open your email app or service and navigate to the email you wish to convert into a task. Click on the Forward button, which is usually located in your email's toolbar. In the recipient field, paste the unique ClickUp email address you just copied. You can do this by using Ctrl or CMD and V on your keyboard. Now, send the email off to that ClickUp address. It's as simple as a click of a button, but the magic that happens is quite remarkable. As soon as your email reaches ClickUp, it is immediately transformed into a task in your selected list. The subject line of your email will automatically become the task name, while the body of your email converts into the task description, ensuring all pertinent information is captured accurately. Any attachments that were included in the original email are conveniently carried over, ensuring no valuable documents are lost in transition. Furthermore, the sender of the email is automatically added as a watcher on the task. This means you or whoever sent the email will receive notifications related to any updates or changes to the task, keeping everyone informed and on the same page. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can swiftly convert your emails into ClickUp tasks, streamlining your workflow and enhancing productivity. Remember to use this process for any emails that translate better as tasks, and you'll find it becomes an integral part of managing your projects and communication. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.